Let's review what to cite. Citing is giving the credit for the ideas that other people have made. Now, this includes things like lecture ideas and lecture notes, interviews you've conducted with people, conversations, and then, of course, the usual items like text, books, articles, journals, things like that. We shouldn't forget that it also includes images, as was the case in the story before me about my experience. So a lot of people wonder, well, when do I cite? Well, when you're writing, you're going to want to include it in the text and use quotations plus a works cited page, which you're probably used to. I'll show you a little bit more about that in a minute. But it's also to remember that when you're standing up giving an oral presentation, you can make a nod to the person who said the idea. You might reference your teacher's lecture. And it's important to get into the habit of attributing your information to the source from which you received it. Okay. So the great thing about this document, it's in the module at the bottom of the page in Canvas. It gives you a checklist so you can go ahead and see, did I give everybody credit? Did I include the text in the works cited? Did I give links as well? Did I use it within in the writing also? Simply including a list of links is not acceptable for citation purposes. You need to really go through the proper bibliographic format. And again, I will show you in a minute where to get that information. Now, if you're wondering though, I still don't understand what in-text citation looks like. This is from your IB manual and it shows you the difference between quotations and paraphrasing, right? Quotations are where you're using word for word excerpts. So you are taking snippets of information and you are incorporating, embedding them or weaving them into your work. A paraphrase is where you're moving words around, you are taking the ideas, but you are not exactly representing them. So you still need to credit that so that you don't end up plagiarizing. Now, the academic honesty is easy to say that we are